everybody, so with a clear face we are gonna hydrate our lips. For the primer, I like to use this e.l.f. one to fill in areas where my pores are most visible. I like to apply it in the up direction on my cheeks and in a circular motion on my nose, forehead and around my mouth area. Then I go with a lighter primer on the areas I didn't apply, like around my outer face. I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation, which is a bit too light on me, so I'm gonna place a bit on my hand here, and I'm gonna mix it with my L'Oreal, which is a tad bit too dark on me, so this will give me a good in-between shade. I like to apply a thin layer with my finger, then using the beauty blender to spread the foundation out. I do this in sections so it's easier to apply and it will avoid patchiness. I tend to work from the inner area of my face, so the foundation gradually fades out more naturally. Then with any product left, I pat it under my eyes and drag it around my neck area. Using the clean side of my blender like the back, I pat it over my face to remove any excess product. I use a shade lighter concealer around my nose to cover the redness in the other areas I want to highlight. I then pat it in with the beauty blender, and whatever left on the beauty blender, I pat it under my eyes. To add some warmth, I go with the bronzer right under my cheekbone and then brush it down. And then also apply it to the sides of my forehead and what's left over on the top and on top of my nose. I then use a deeper bronzer only under my cheekbone again to intensify it. The key is to blend everything out seamlessly for a more natural look. My favorite part, the blush. I like to apply it to the top of my cheeks. And using a brush, I dab it in upwards to my temple. And I only apply it to the top of my nose bridge, not the sides, or it will make the nose look flatter. For fun, I pat what's left over the chin and the top of the forehead. Contour, I like to apply it like so. And the sides of my nose. Using a clean brush, I blend it all outwards. And any product left on the brush, I brush it under the nose and the lips. On to the eyes now. Here, the eyeshadow I'm using, the colour that looks like a deeper colour of my skin. I apply it over the whole lid. and under the eye. I then use the same blush and tap it in the middle section of my upper eyelids. Then with the NARS bronzer, I apply that to the outer corners. I also apply it near the inner upper corner. Since I have a wider set of eyes, it helps to bring the eyes back in. I then use a white gold highlighter to the center of my eyelid. With the lightest shimmer eyeshadow, I use that on the tip of my nose and cheeks, under the brow bone and my inner corners. To finish it off, I use a brown gel pencil near the outer corner of the lower lid. And using the sponge on the back to smudge that out. Here I'm just using the eyelash colour. Mascara, applied that. And then wiggled it to get more of the product. I then use the tip of the brush to clump them together to achieve more of a manga kind of look. I also apply it a bit around the lower outer eyelashes. I only apply it to the whole lower lashes if I were going for more of a dramatic look. To bring out the blush even more, I'm gonna use this pink blush, slightly below the eye. Now onto the lips. I apply it like so. Oops. You should avoid smacking your lips before it dries to get the best effect. Using the Ultimo product, I fill in the rest of the lips. And a little last touch here. Finally, I spray the setting spray. And that's it done. Usually I apply powder, setting powder after this. I totally forgot. Usually I apply the setting powder around my T-zone since it gets quite oily quite easily. When it's oily, it makes my skin kind of reflective, which emphasizes my skin texture. This is the look. I really like the look and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.